Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Courtney Bird here with your afternoon weather update for Monday, January 2nd, 2017. Looking at the national satellite and radar, we have a lot of convection and a lot of activity happening in the Gulf Coast region. And let's get right to that, as that is our main concern for today. We do have an enhanced area of severe thunderstorms moving through the area, as we do have a low pressure system that is currently moving through the region. With this, we are getting a lot of moist air coming from the Gulf of Mexico, and because of this, we are really getting a lot of convection with these storms. As you can see, our winds are coming from the southwest and from the south, so we're getting a lot of that moist, humid air from the Gulf, and that's really driving these storms. We've seen multiple watches, and as well as tornadoes and hail that we've been publishing throughout the day today. So please make sure that you sign up for our alerts to make sure that you and your family are safe when severe weather does impact you. We've been watching this very closely, and we continue to watch it over the next few hours as the system will continue to push to the east-northeast over the next few hours. We are currently looking at the current wind gusts associated with these storms. The gusts are nearing around 30 miles per hour, but we have been seeing gusts up to 45 to 50 miles per hour with these storms. 24-hour rainfall totals show majority of the rainfall is going to be located on the Gulf Coast for tomorrow, but for today we have already been seeing up to 2 inches of rainfall, and you're going to see right here, this is where we're seeing majority of the rainfall. This is where we're also seeing a lot of those tornadic cells that are coming on shore, as well as the Gulf Breeze, Alabama area has been seeing over the last 2 hours. We've been watching this area very closely. We will be expecting some flooding due to this heavy rainfall. And as you can see with the radar, the rain is still piling into this area and this region, so we will be expecting this over the next few hours. Future radar starting at 5 p.m. this afternoon and ending at 5 a.m. tomorrow morning shows the low pressure center is going to continue to push to the northeast, and with that we're going to be seeing the storms following along the frontal boundary. So for tonight, we're really going to be focusing on the stronger storms that are going to be located right through the Gulf Coast region, and by tonight and tomorrow morning we're going to be watching these storms pushing through Florida, Georgia, the Carolinas, as well as moving through Tennessee, Kentucky, and into the Great Lakes region. Temperatures starting at 5 p.m. and extending till 5 a.m. tomorrow morning shows cooler temperatures are going to be seeping into the northern portions of the United States, and we're going to be seeing temperatures below zero, as well as temperatures in the single digits, and that's going to be for portions of Montana, Wyoming, as well as the Dakotas. We're really going to be focusing on the Gulf Coast tonight, as we do have those storms moving through, and that's going to be keeping them relatively warmer tonight, as we will be seeing temperatures in the overnight hours staying in the mid to lower 60s and even in the upper 50s. We will be having colder weather that will be moving behind that frontal system, and with that we're going to be seeing temperatures in the 60s and 50s throughout Texas, Oklahoma, Nebraska, and Kansas. Those in the northeast are going to be seeing cooler temperatures tonight, with temperatures below 50 degrees. And in Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine, we're going to be seeing temperatures below the freezing point. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates on the severe weather that is occurring in the Gulf Coast. Make sure you like us on Facebook and Twitter, and have a good night.